So hi sir, good day. So for this video I will be doing the activity 5 hands-on activity, implementing a basic CI/CD pipeline with GitHub Actions. So for the first step, let's create a new repository. We will be naming it CI/CD demo. So public and initialize, add a README file, create a repository. Then for the next step, let's go to get bash and we'll clone the repository to the local storage. So after cloning the repository, so we'll copy the HTML file that I created earlier to the CI/CD demo folder. Then let's push the HTML file to the repository. So we've successfully pushed the HTML file to the repository, so as you can see. So after that, we'll be going to the actions page, and we will create a new workflow. Um, so we will be naming it deploy. So commit changes. So it's done. Then after that, uh, we will be deploying the um, application. So let's go to settings and pages. So under branch, click main and save. So after that, we'll wait for the application to be deployed. So our site is live. So let's go to the site. So as you can see, it's done, and we can go to the HTML file named CICD. So CICD that HTML. So as you can see the message that I've created earlier, hello CICD. Let's go to the file. If it's the same, CICD. Hehehe. So I've successfully deployed the application. So for the last part, so why is CI/CD important? So for me, so um, CI/CD is very important for for building. No, CI/CD is important because it automates the building, testing, and deploying of applications. And then, how does GitHub Actions automate the process? So, so GitHub Actions, oh, so it is a built-in tool for GitHub. Like every time you change a code, it automatically triggers such as push pull request, and it automates deployment, so you can deploy your code to GitHub pages. So you can deploy your GitHub pages to Netlify, Vercel, Aus, or Firebase for hosting. Then what happens when code is pushed to the repository? Um, so if you push a code to the repository, so it updates the repository. Then GitHub detects the push event. If CI/CD is configured, the CI/CD pipeline that I've created earlier runs. If you push a code to the repository, and it notifies you if something changes and etc. So that's it for the activity 5. Thank you, sir.